Subscribe for daily quizzes and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some regenerative medicine trivia. What type of cells restore tissue? A. Neurons, or B. Stem cells, or C. Platelets, or D. Red blood cells? The correct answer is B. Stem cells. What is the branch of medicine for regeneration? A. Pain management, or B. Transplant surgery, or C. Regenerative medicine, or D. Sports medicine? The correct answer is C. Regenerative medicine. Which factor is crucial for cell growth? A. Growth factors, or B. Nutritional intake, or C. DNA replication, or D. Oxygen levels? The correct answer is A. Growth factors. What is a therapy using patients' own cells? A. Stem cell treatment, or B. Tissue engineering, or C. Gene modification, or D. Autologous therapy? The correct answer is D. Autologous therapy. What type of stem cells are pluripotent? A. Fetal stem cells, or B. Adult stem cells, or C. Embryonic stem cells, or D. Mesenchymal cells? The correct answer is C. Embryonic stem cells. Which process repairs damaged tissue? A. Cell division, or B. Tissue regeneration, or C. Immune response, or D. Wound clotting? The correct answer is B. Tissue regeneration. What is the goal of gene editing technologies? A. Increase lifespan, or B. Genetic mutation, or C. Enhance appearance, or D. Genomic correction? The correct answer is D. Genomic correction. What is the primary method for tissue engineering? A. Stem cell therapy, or B. Artificial intelligence, or C. Gene editing, or D. Cell scaffolding? The correct answer is D. Cell scaffolding. What are engineered tissues used for? A. Cosmetic surgery, or B. Transplantation, or C. Muscle enhancement, or D. Rehabilitation therapy? The correct answer is B. Transplantation. What type of engineering focuses on biological systems? A. Mechanical engineering, or B. Civil engineering, or C. Chemical engineering, or D. Biomaterials? The correct answer is D. Biomaterials. Which type of therapy uses modified cells? A. Gene therapy, or B. Cognitive therapy, or C. Stem cell therapy, or D. Physical therapy? The correct answer is A. Gene therapy. What kind of stem cells derive from adults? A. Fetal stem cells, or B. Adult stem cells, or C. Embryonic stem cells, or D. Zygote stem cells? The correct answer is B. Adult stem cells. What encompasses cell therapy and tissue engineering? A. Gene editing tools, or B. Stem cell extraction, or C. Regenerative therapeutic approaches, or D. Organ transplantation? The correct answer is C. Regenerative therapeutic approaches. Which cells from bone marrow are specifically important? A. Chondrocytes, or B. Fibroblasts, or C. Hematopoietic stem cells, or D. Osteoblasts? The correct answer is C. Hematopoietic stem cells. What research area involves manipulation of stem cells? A. Stem cell research, or B. Genetic engineering, or C. Quantum computing, or D. Robotics technology? The correct answer is A. Stem cell research. Which cells play a role in muscle regeneration? A. Myoblasts, or B. Fibroblasts, or C. Satellite cells, or D. Neurons? The correct answer is C. Satellite cells. What is an area of focus in regenerative studies? A. Stem cell therapy, or B. Artificial intelligence, or C. Cell signaling, or D. Genetic mutations? The correct answer is C. Cell signaling. Which heart cells have regenerative properties? A. Neurons, or B. Cardiomyocytes, or C. Fibroblasts, or D. Endothelial cells? The correct answer is B. Cardiomyocytes. What medical technique uses growth factors? A. Stem cell therapy, or B. X-ray imaging, or C. MRI scans, or D. Platelet-rich plasma? The correct answer is D. Platelet-rich plasma. What can stem cells differentiate into? A. Dust particles, or B. Viruses, or C. Carbon atoms, or D. Specialized cells? The correct answer is D. Specialized cells. What are the main cells in cartilage repair? A. Fibroblasts, or B. Osteoblasts, or C. Adipocytes, or D. Chondrocytes? The correct answer is D. Chondrocytes. Which method encourages tissue repair using cells? A. Radiation therapy, or B. Surgery techniques, or C. Pain management, or D. Cell therapy? The correct answer is D. Cell therapy. What is the type of stem cell specific to blood? A. Epithelial, or B. Mesenchymal, or C. Hematopoietic neuronal? The correct answer is C. Hematopoietic. What class of drugs can enhance tissue repair? A. Antidepressants, or B. Antibiotics, or C. Anti-inflammatory drugs, or D. Antihistamines? The correct answer is C. Anti-inflammatory drugs. What type of stem cell comes from the umbilical cord? A. Embryonic stem cells, or B. Embryo tissue cells, or C. Cord blood stem cells, or D. Amniotic stem cells? The correct answer is C. Cord blood stem cells. What method utilizes biological scaffolds? A. Organic chemistry, or B. Biomechanical analysis, or C. Genetic cloning, or D. Tissue engineering? The correct answer is D. Tissue engineering. Which cellular process involves stem cell activation? A. DNA replication, or B. Cellular differentiation, or C. Cell division, or D. Protein synthesis? The correct answer is B. Cellular differentiation. What is crucial for stem cell cultivation? A. Oxygen concentration, or B. Growth factors, C. Nutrient medium, or D. Temperature control? The correct answer is C. Nutrient medium. Which type of treatment uses immune modulation? A. Antibiotic treatment, or B. Immunotherapy, or C. Radiation therapy, or D. Chemotherapy? The correct answer is B. Immunotherapy. Which stem cells are derived from the inner cell mass? A. Adult stem cells, or B. Induced pluripotent, or C. Hematopoietic stem cells, or D. Embryonic? The correct answer is D. Embryonic. Which method of delivery is essential for cell therapies? A. Injection, or B. Surgery, or C. Oral medication, or D. Inhalation therapy? The correct answer is A. Injection. What specialization combines engineering and biology? A. Electrical systems, or B. Mechanical engineering, or C. Biomedical engineering, or D. Chemical biology? The correct answer is C. Biomedical engineering. Which tissue can regenerate after injury? A. Nerve tissue, or B. Epithelial tissue, or C. Cartilage, or D. Cardiac muscle? The correct answer is C. Cartilage. Which fetal structure contains valuable stem cells? A. Amniotic fluid, or B. Umbilical cord, or for fetal liver, or D. Placenta? The correct answer is D. Placenta. What is usually the first step in regenerative therapies? Bone fusion, or B. DNA editing, or C. Cell harvesting, or D. Tissue grafting? The correct answer is C. Cell harvesting. Question: which factors can hinder effective tissue regeneration? Possible answers: A. Exercise frequency, or B. Scarring, or C. Nutrition level, or D. Age? The correct answer is B. Scarring. Which type of therapy uses patients' immune cells? A. CAR T-cell therapy, or B. Gene therapy, or C. Chemotherapy, or D. Radiation therapy? The correct answer is A. CAR T-cell therapy. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.